everyone, Sheree here. I'm so excited to be guest designer for Citrus Twist Kits this month, and today I'm going to be creating an 8.5 by 11 layout using the scrapbooking add-on kit. There are so many pretty things to use in this kit and I can't wait to get started. I've already got my title chosen here. The word good is from this beautiful word pack, and I've already chosen the letters for the word morning. That's going to be my title, and that's from the alphas here. I do have an idea of what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to jump in and get started. I'll pop you on fast forward and show you what I've got planned. Okay, so I've chosen 3 of the papers from the kit, and I've just cut 3 strips in different widths, and I'm just going to layer those together using double-sided tape, and then I'll adhere them down the right hand side of my background cardstock. So just lining it up along that edge, and then I'm going to grab my sewing machine and add some stitching, and I will trim off that excess at the bottom there as well. So you can see there the stitching's done. I've just added 2 rows, just adding some texture. And now I've got a white tag which I just made myself from some plain white cardstock and just added some twine. And now I'm going to layer a photo and a die cut together on top of that. So I've just got double-sided tape behind each of these, just layering those onto the page. Okay, so I'm going to stick them on together. I just want that green die cut just peeking out from the left hand side of the photo. Alright, so now that's done, I've got a fabric label going at the top of the photo there, and then I've got a round die cut, and I've just put a foam dot behind that one to add a little bit of dimension. Then I can go ahead and add my title. So I've got that good morning going under the photo. I've got a little bit of double-sided tape on the back of this word. I did end up using some foam dots a little bit later because it just wasn't sticking down properly with the bulk of that photo there. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my T-square ruler, and this is going to act as a guide to just show me where to put these letters so that they're nice and straight. So that's now done. I'm going to go ahead and add my journaling strips now. I've just got some thin double-sided tape behind each of these strips. So they're now on the page. I've got another little die cut to go on. I'm adding some little foam dots behind this one, and this is going to go in the bottom right of that photo. Nice little bunch of flowers there. Okay, so next I've got the date is going to go under that journaling. This is just a date stamp that I bought at an office supplies store. So that's on there now. And next I'm going to add a little yellow heart. So just putting that up the top there and working out where to put it. And I just add it next to that circular die cut. Alright, so I'm going to add the stitching to those journaling strips now. So that is done, adding a little bit more texture. And the last thing I'm going to add is another little yellow dot just down to the left of that date. So that completes this page. It was nice and quick and easy, and I hope I've given you a few ideas of what you can do with this scrapbooking add-on kit. I've had a lot of fun putting this on together today. I'll leave you with some close-up photos at the end, and I look forward to bringing you another project very soon. So thank you so much for joining me today. Bye for now.